Every time you say, "I'll start budgeting next month," your debt does a little victory dance. Sounds harsh, doesn't it? But is it true? Absolutely. Let's face it, if your money feels like it disappears faster than your McDonald's fries, it's because you're not tracking it like a boss. You're not alone. Most people don't have a clue where their money actually goes until it's gone. That ends today. In this video, we're diving into the best apps that slap your spending into shape and help you crush debit like a wrecking ball. These aren't boring spreadsheets or just round up your change gimmicks. These are tools that hold you accountable, show you every leak in your wallet, and give you the power to finally stop living paycheck to paycheck. As billionaire Chris Rock, yes, he's rich, once said, wealth is not about having a lot of money, it's about having a lot of options. So if you're ready to get serious, gain control, and make your money obey, let's jump in and fix your finances, one app at a time. Number 5. EveryDollar. There are a million apps out there, all screaming from the heavens that they have the magic answer. How do you know which ones are legit and which ones are just trying to sell you another useless subscription? Without a clear plan, you are a pinball in a financial pinball machine, getting smacked around by every bill and unexpected expense. You're trapped in that paycheck-to-paycheck nightmare, where a flat tire can trigger a full-blown financial meltdown. The stress piles up, the debt gets bigger, and that dream of financial freedom feels like a cruel joke. But here's the good news. The right tool can change everything. It can give you the clarity and control you've been desperately missing. Coming in at number 5 is EveryDollar. If you've ever heard of Dave Ramsey and his baby steps, this is his brainchild. EveryDollar is built around one simple, savage concept, the zero-based budget. You give every single dollar you earn a specific job. Paying for rent, buying groceries, attacking your credit card bill. Every dollar is accounted for. No more mystery spending. EveryDollar has a fantastic free version, which is where you should start. You plan out your income for the month and assign it to different spending categories that you can customize. Now, here's the part that's going to make or break you. In the free version, you have to enter every transaction by hand. It does not sync with your bank. That might sound like a huge pain, and it is, but that's the whole point. Manually logging every purchase forces you to look at that $7 coffee you spent on the girl that never texted you back or that late-night Amazon binge right in the face. It makes your spending real. The app itself is clean, simple, and idiot-proof. It's perfect if you're overwhelmed by complex apps and just need a digital version of the envelope system to get your habits in line. There is a premium version that'll cost you $17.99 a month or $79.99 for the year. That gets you bank syncing, paycheck planning, and some financial coaching resources. But honestly, for someone just starting out, the free version of EveryDollar is a powerful wake-up call that teaches you the fundamental skill of telling your money who's boss. Number 4. Empower Personal Dashboard. Next up at number 4 is Empower Personal Dashboard. You might remember it as Personal Capital. This one's a different beast. While most apps are obsessed with your monthly spending, Empower is designed to give you a master-level view of your entire financial universe. It's not just a budgeting app, it's a wealth tracking machine that happens to have great and totally free expense tracking features. This is where Empower flexes. You can link almost any account you have, checking, savings, credit cards, your car loan, and most importantly, all of your investment accounts like your 401k and IRAs. Once it's all connected, Empower slaps a single number on your screen, your total net worth. Watching that number go up as you pay down debt is one of the most motivating things you will ever see. The budgeting tools are solid. The app automatically tracks your income and spending, categorizes it, and gives you clean charts showing your cash flow so you know where the money is going. However, it's more of a tracker and analyzer than a proactive budgeting tool. It shows you what you did, but it's not as in-your-face about planning what you're going to do as our other picks. Empower is for the person who wants to see the big picture. If you're not just trying to survive the month, but are focused on growing your investments and seeing how your daily chai latte habit is impacting your retirement, Empower is an unbeatable free tool. Number 3. Monarch Money. Taking the number 3 spot is the app many people see as the true heir to Mint's throne, Monarch Money. After Mint was shut down, a lot of people were left scrambling for a replacement, and Monarch has stepped up in a big way. It's a powerful all-in-one financial hub that does a bit of everything, and does it well. Like Empower, you link all your financial accounts for a complete overview. Where Monarch shines is in its customizability and forward-looking tools. You can create custom budgets, set up specific savings goals, track your progress, and get forecasts on your spending. It also has a great feature for tracking recurring bills and subscriptions, so you can finally spot all those free trials that started charging you 6 months ago. One of Monarch's best features is its focus on collaboration, allowing you to share your dashboard with a partner to manage finances together at no extra cost. It's also ad-free, which is a huge plus. The dashboard is clean, modern, and you can customize the widgets to see what matters most to you. Monarch is not free. It will cost you $14.99 a month or $99.99 for a full year. But you can test it out with a 7-day free trial. It's ideal for someone who wants a feature-packed, automated system that looks and feels modern and is perfect for individuals or couples who want a single place to manage their entire financial life. Number 2, Pocket Guard. Breaking into our top 2 is Pocket Guard. This app is built on a brilliantly simple philosophy, answering the one question you should ask before every purchase: can I actually afford this? It's made for the person who doesn't want to get lost in spreadsheets and just wants a clear, unforgiving answer. Pocket Guard connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investments to get the full picture. Then, it does the math for you. It takes your income, automatically subtracts your bills, subscriptions, and savings goals, and then shows you one number: your In My Pocket amount. This is exactly how much you have left for non-essential spending. It's a financial stop sign. This approach is brutally effective at preventing you from swiping your card when you shouldn't be. Instead of you having to do the mental gymnastics, Pocket Guard tells you what's safe to spend. The app also has some killer features like analyzing your bills to find savings and a service that can negotiate lower rates for you. Plus, it has a dedicated debt payoff planner to help you strategize and watch your balances die. While Pocket Guard has a free version, many core features require the paid plan. The Plus plan costs $12.99 per month or $74.99 for an annual plan. If you want an automated system that gives you a daily spending limit without any fluff, Pocket Guard is well worth the investment. Number 1, Pocket Guard. And finally, at number 1, we have the app that is less of a software and more of a religion. It's YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. Let me be clear. YNAB is for the person who is absolutely, positively done with their own financial garbage and is ready to make a real, lasting change. It is the most hands-on app on this list, and because of that, it is by far the most powerful. YNAB uses a proactive, zero-based budgeting system built on 4 rules that will rewire your brain. The most important is give every dollar a job. Like every dollar, you assign all your income to categories before you spend it. But YNAB's entire system is about looking forward. It forces you to break down big future expenses like car repairs or holiday gifts into small, monthly savings goals so you are never surprised again. The ultimate goal of YNAB is to get you to age your money, to get to the point where you're spending money you earned at least 30 days ago. This single-handedly shatters the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and builds a financial buffer that eradicates stress. The app is loaded with incredible educational support, live workshops, and a loan payoff simulator to help you plan the fastest way out of debt. YNAB is a paid app at $14.99 per month or $109 for an annual plan. They offer a generous 34-day free trial for you to see if the method is for you. YNAB claims new budgeters save an average of $6,000 in their first year. If you are dead serious about getting out of debt, permanently changing your habits, and building real wealth, YNAB isn't an app. It's an investment that will pay for itself 100 times over. So there you have it, the 5 best weapons to seize control of your spending and start annihilating your debt. If you want the best free options, grab Empower Personal Dashboard for a high-level view of your net worth, or download the free version of Every Dollar if you need the tough love of manual budgeting. If you're ready to pay for a tool that automates the whole thing, Monarch Money is a fantastic all-in-one system, and Pocket Guard's In My Pocket feature is a game-changer for daily spending clarity. And if you're ready to go all in and completely transform your financial life, YNAB is the undisputed champion. The most important thing is to stop making excuses and just start. Pick one, the one that feels like the right tool for your financial life. Commit to it. You can't fix a problem you refuse to look at. and tracking your finances is the first brutal step to a life with less debt and way less stress. So which app will you check out first? Comment below and do let me know if you found this information helpful. Watch more game-changing videos on becoming a billionaire and hit subscribe to fuel your journey with elite-level strategies to attract unstoppable wealth. Like and share this content with your friends and family.